A second avenue of attack. He's done it again to keep Mal's going. I don't even think Jame realizes he can actually save. He probably feels like there's presence in the B-bomb site, but the clutch is on.
Oh, that smoke, it catches the rail, and that's a little bit unfortunate. Otherwise, maybe he's going to try to put some pressure. He's still going to go for it. He picks up that one.
No!
Oh, no! Out of this world! Jame! Are you kidding me? He actually picks up the round!
That's it. Call it. Mal's ain't coming back from that. You said he was boring. He's got you on your feet. Unbelievable from Jame. The one he decides to go for. So many times he saves in this situation. I have no words.